Hi, there are a few things in the post Andromeda world that are really important, and one of them is this exact process. It's an iteration process, and I see a lot of brands missing out on this one. I see a lot of these brands doing new concepts every single week, but they don't have a process to analyze the existing ads and make sure to double down on whatever is working in your ad account, right? And the exact process I have created this. It will visually show you how it works. Plus, I will show you example of one ad that will actually take all this information, make this ad, and it's already been a few days that it's in the ad account, and I'll be showing you the exact results that I got. So let's go ahead and continue. Okay, so you will start off by using your existing ads and competitor ads, analyzing the comments, using past performing ads as an example, maybe scripts, maybe concepts, right? A static UGCs, whatever you're trying to test. Then you analyze the scripts, like the past scripts, the patterns, the themes, the templates, right? So you collect everything in one place, add it to your repository or an engine, right? This engine could be AI, ChatGPT, Claude, any other software that you use. You feed it to that, and based on that, ask it to create multiple iterations. So we like to do it manually as well because we're working with brands, we know what's working, what's not. So just ideas come naturally, right? By looking at what ads are already working out. Based on that, you create three iterations. Three different iterations will be targeting different personas, right? So one of them could be one persona, second could be other, right? It's like that. Then in each iteration, do multiple variations of these ads as well. A, B, C variations, or could be like 5, 6 variations as well if you're wanting to be creative. One important thing over here is that you need to focus on the data first instead of shooting in the dark and just randomly testing out, especially for the iterative process. You can do experiments for your net new concepts, which is over here, but if you really want to double down on what is working in your account and you want to have some quick wins, right, you should be focused on data collection first, right? These parts over here should be covered right before. If you do it without that, it doesn't matter, it won't work out. So once you test them out, you will find a winner or a loser from them. Based on that, you can run the loop again, right? You can also make your own processes, whatever you keep on learning within the process. If it's a winner, you just scale it up. I will be making more videos about the entire process of scaling, like how we do it, how do we like cut down the budgets, how we scale up. That's a video for another day. But okay, so before going into the ad account and showing you the stats I got from this, I would like to share my thought process around it and what is that exactly I was trying to do, right? So if you don't understand this part, then any of this process won't make any sense to you. So I was searching through the comments and I saw some of these people saying that there's like a lot of things that I have to do to play golf, right? This is actually a golf brand, and there's a particular problem that we are trying to solve with this kind of product. And people were saying like there's a lot of things we have to go through while learning golf, while playing golf. You have to decide which kind of clubs we're using. We have to decide which kind of outfit we'll wear. Have to sign up subscription. There's a lot of variables that goes through, right? So I kind of sensed this from that people have kind of frustrated with the sport somehow. Not like really frustrated, but some of them were talking about it, in frustration. They were commenting, right? And I ended up creating an angle which particularly says that in the headline is that remove this one variable from your golfing experience. And then I used the product image, and then I showed a golf club at the very end. I will be showing this exact image that we created within my WhatsApp channel because obviously I cannot share it on any public platform. It's not appropriate. It's client information. So I'll be sharing that within my WhatsApp community. I'll share that for a while and then I'll just delete it. So that's my idea. And now just get into the ad account and see what kind of stats I'm getting. So this ad is already an iteration of a previous winning ad. So I just went ahead and picked some of the comments from here. For example, right now, a person is saying that you can get it for $15 and all of that pricing objections. I can use them and create more ads on it. Let's go to the ad account again, and this is the particular ad that I'm talking about, and it was recently launched. It was launched on like 3 or 4th February. So let's set the time frame to that. Okay, this is the particular ad, and this actually spent $84 in the last couple of days, which is not significant, but based on the initial metrics, I can say that Meta will try to optimize it, because whenever you launch an ad, it takes spend. It's a good sign. So that's why I'm including in this video, and in the future, I can also share it, like what happened with this ad, right? That will be done in the WhatsApp community. So yeah, you can see that this has like 20 pounds CPA in this one, and it is actually directly computing with the overall best performer, which is like 27 pounds. I mean, again, it has more spend. The top performer, the top spender has more sales and revenues. This one is trying to compete with that, and this was possible due to the iteration process that I just shared with you. And some of these ads that you see, like for example this one and this one, right, these are also based off ideas that we picked on using past ads or the testing that we are doing. So everything you see, it's like scientific. It's not random ideas that we are testing. So this is how this system works, and test it out for your brand, and see you around.